Some Vancouver Canucks players have been back on the ice here at Rogers Arena for the past week, getting ready for the upcoming playoffs. But as players around the league get back on the ice, the NHL is seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases. It has some questioning whether hockey should come back. The NHL reporting on Monday that 35 players have tested positive for COVID-19. 23 of them have been taking part in optional on-ice practices during Phase 2 of the league's return to play plan. So far, 396 NHLers have participated in these voluntary sessions, but Phase 3 begins on July 13th, and with that comes full teams back on the ice for training camps. Fans on Twitter concerned Phase 3 will lead to more players getting sick. Cancel the season. It isn't worth all these players being at risk. Money shouldn't be more important than health. You're endangering players and the host towns.
There will be plenty of people who say the risk isn't worth taking, but the players and the league collectively believe it is, and they're the ones that are at the potential risk. So who are we, I suppose, to argue with them?
Scott Rintoul with Sportsnet 650 says the rate of COVID-19 cases in the NHL is lower than other professional leagues that are returning to play. He believes hockey will return this summer, but there are many questions around health protocols.
If you have an outbreak, what will it take to shut a league down? What will it take to shut a team down? We still don't have that answer, and the NHL has been vague about that. That'll be up to the medical professionals that they're consulting with, but they're going to give it a go.
Games get underway in Phase 4 beginning on August 1st. Edmonton and Toronto are believed to be the two hub cities for the postseason. Teams will report to those markets on July 26th. Rintoul says what happens between now and then will decide whether the playoffs will play out.
There may be players that test positive just prior to those teams departing, but if those players do not enter the bubble and do not infect that space, that's the key to this entire thing working.
In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.